Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to download movies on Netflix app. So to do this, you should of course have a Netflix account. After that, you go to Netflix, to the app, and choose the movie that you want to download. For example, I will choose this movie. You have just to click on it, and as you can see below the button of play, there is a button of download. You have just to click on it, and after that it will tell you that you need to have Wi-Fi. I will turn on my Wi-Fi and allow it, and after that I will click download again, and as you can see the movie here is downloading. I don't know, maybe I have a little problem of internet, that's why it's not downloading, but you have to click here, and here as you can see I have some downloads in my other devices, but normally if your account is only on your device you will not have that problem. So this is the method to download movies from Netflix on your device. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.